I have a hack for you. If you're busy and you need to get out the door real quick, but you need a little put together, keep watching because with 2 products, I'm going to show you how to get that face base done quickly and right to get out the door. Just 2 products. First, I start with my Juvia's Place setting spray. The only thing I have on my face is moisturizer, nothing else. So I'm going to use this as my primer. Instead of primer, I'm going to use setting spray. So I'm going to spray my face. My face is now sprayed. You can take a sponge or your hand and tap everything in place. I like to use my hands because it warms everything up and get it on my skin properly. If you want, you can use a sponge. If you don't have primer or you don't have the time to put the primer and let it sit and then put your foundation and then spray it, you can just skip the primer and setting spray will work. Keep watching. Now I'm using my MAC. This is the new formulation NW45 and I have a big Eco Tool brush. I'm gonna take it and put in the powder. And you see my face before I put the powder on. You see how it looked like I have primer on? It is all there. I have a nice glow. Everything is looking good. Now the powder. I have a mirror right here. And I will just put that powder on. And with these 2 products, I have created a simple, quick base to step out the door and don't have to worry about waiting for primers to dry. So if you don't have primer or you don't have the time to put the primer on and wait for it to sit for a little while before you put your base, use setting spray. Whether you're using powder or liquid foundation, this will work for you. Try that hack and let me know down in the comments how it worked for you. Please do try it. I would like your feedback on this. Thank you. Today's I am encouraging word is from the card How to Love Yourself. And today's card is, I am grateful for all the wonderful things in my world. I am grateful for all the wonderful things in my world. I pray that you are grateful for all or some of the wonderful things in your world. Please share this video with someone else because the setting spray hack might just be what they were looking for to help them on their busy mornings or busy afternoons or busy night when they have to just put something together real quick and get going. And until I see you and you see me, be grateful for some of the wonderful things that are in your personal world. Bye. Thank you for watching.